to show you how to open Boeing 787 cargo door. This is the vent flap door, and this one. See, now it's in the first position, it's open, but when you press it again, it's fully open. Okay, now we have to open this one, and there is a lever here. You can do the test, then we'll open it. After it's full open, this light will come here, full open. This panel, you can do manually open the cargo door. You need to open this 4-5 screws, and then after opening, there is a like create drive inside. You need to open it from there manually. Thank you.